Here is a common bottle feeding myth. If you are working on getting your baby to take a bottle and they are not having it, it is not true that you should leave the house and have somebody else feed your baby. No, no, no. I know the internet says that, but you need to think about it this way. You are a trusted person in your baby's life. You have that strong feeding connection. They associate you with food, and that's why it should be you teaching them how to use the bottle. It is completely foreign to a baby, especially if they're not having it and it has been a real process. Some babies will just take a bottle from anyone, and that's fantastic. Obviously, that's the ultimate goal, but if you're struggling, start with you, because you are the trusted person in your baby's life when it comes to food. Ignore what the internet says, and it's okay. Your baby can't smell you. It's none of those things, but they do trust you. So start there. If you have questions, put them in the comments. I would love to help.